can't see through the windows. I can't hear through the walls. But I can't live in the middle, afraid of it all. I just need to feel the sun against my skin, 'cause my heart can breathe again. I can see now. I'm so close.